Hey, what's up, guys? And thanks for tuning in again. Out here doing a little more magnet fishing again. I'm actually on the same river, but I'm about, say, 8 miles upstream at a different location. And coincidentally, there is another mill here. Now, this mill is a lot older, and it used to be a cotton mill. I'm not exactly sure what they used to do with the other one. But came down here today. The first spot I went to, they haven't opened up yet for the season, so I decided to try down here. And again, with not too much luck. But I did have a funny run-in with a curious Asian nature walker. He never seen anybody doing this kind of stuff before. But like I said, thanks for tuning in. Like, subscribe. Go ahead and check it out. Thanks for watching.
Piece of somebody's lure. Flying dog. Metal.
Huh? Metal?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were fishing.
No. Yeah, magnet fishing.
Okay.
Yeah.
So it has to be,
Magnetic iron or something like that.
yeah.
It's just for fun, really, you know what I mean?
Yeah. So this used to be cotton mill.
Right.
So there might be some
Something.
machinery.
You never know.
Yeah.
Maybe fishing lures and pliers.
Oh, okay.
That too.
Yeah.
Phones, who knows?
Or $1 million.
Yeah, $1 million, right. No $1 million. I doubt that. So like with this, if you go to the right rivers where there was, like you said, battles and stuff like that, you can pull out like the artillery shells
I see.
and cannonballs
Right.
will stick to this.
Right.
Right.
Well, all land belong to somebody.
Yeah, true.
So when can you keep it?
I don't know. Most
I
people
mean,
just
even a river like
yeah, even this
This
is
is,
state property probably.
Yeah, exactly.
But I don't think they'll get mad at me if I take steel out of their river. You know what I mean?
But it's a kind of gray area.
I know.
Yeah.
It is. You're right. Until somebody tells me something, you know what I mean?
Yeah,
I guess I'll
yeah.
just keep doing it.
Yeah. I mean, millions of people doing the metal detector,
Yeah. Right. Yeah, I do that too sometimes too.
Really?
Yeah, not as much. I'm saving to get a better detector. Alright guys, so pretty much once again out here, didn't really find much of Jack, but I am down here at this site right now, and it's actually the site of a old historical cotton mill that was trying to get the light out the camera there on this river, and they were using the river. See, there's some more of the structure over there. They're using the river to power the cotton mill, which is pretty cool. Yep, but this is where I've been. Didn't really find much of anything. Again, I'll show stuff in the end of the video. Not really worth showing this time even, but had a good time. Got out here in the outdoors again. It's a little chillier today. It's about 45. Water's pretty cold. But again, thanks for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.